What are the possibilities for using D-Clean? Today's video is for you who still have doubts. We will show all the possibilities of use in this video. The first one is pre-wash. Let's apply it. Application done, folks. Now let's wait for the product's action time. Folks, we wait for 2 to 3 minutes, which is the product's action time, and now let's move on to rinsing. To ensure our result wasn't altered, I will dry the vehicle, remove the part I isolated, and everyone there will see the final result. Alright folks, we just finished drying the piece. I'm going to remove the isolation we put on, and let's check out the final result. Well folks, this is the result of D-Clean for pre-washing. One of the possibilities. Now another possibility for using D-Clean, and in this case a vehicle that really needs cleaning. Let's perform the internal cleaning of this car. Remember folks, we can clean the ceiling, the floor, the seats, the leather, everything inside. It will just depend on you adjusting the dilution and finding the best result. Now let's get to action. What will I need, people? A small brush from Dub, the drush, our detailing brush, a spray bottle with the product already diluted 1 to 20 as suggested on the label, and a microfiber cloth for the finishing touch, and we will show the result now. Guys, always remember to wait for the product's action time, but here the video is quick, and I'm sure D-Clean will do the job. So let's go. Action, everyone. Quickly, without wasting much time. That's it, folks. The scrubbing is done. Now we use the microfiber from Dub Boyz Dub tool to give the final touch. Remember folks, our suggestion is to have 2 microfibers, okay? One to remove the excess in the product you applied, and a second damp one to give the final result or finish. Folks, that's it. Another process completed inside, another possibility for D-Clean. This is the result, folks. As expected, D-Clean got the job done. That's it, folks. Another possibility for using D-Clean. Internal cleaning in all areas, only with the help of dilution. Another possibility for using D-Clean, and in this case, let's clean the wheels, okay? Remember folks, wheels, wheel wells, chassis, even engines, okay? Let's get to it, folks. Product diluted here, 1 to 20. I'm always using this dilution. Remember, it's a suggestion. It will depend on your situation and the amount of dirt on the car, okay? That's it, folks. Let's go directly to the dry and cool wheel, okay? Remember, spray the product, wait a few moments for it to take effect, and the tool used will be the drush, detailing brush from Dub Boyz. Let's go, folks. Always use soft brushes, especially when you have black piano wheels. Perfect, guys. Now we move on to the rinsing part. Rinsing done, folks. Now we move on to drying the wheels, mainly to ensure the result. That's it, folks. Another possibility for using D-Clean. In this case, cleaning the wheels. Remember, wheels, wheel wells, engine, chassis, and the like. So what are you waiting for? Hurry to the nearest store and get your D-Clean.